Decor Designs, your one-stop shop for all things interior and exterior design. Today, we'll share with you the allure of outdoor kitchen islands to transform your backyard into a culinary oasis. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. An outdoor kitchen is an increasingly popular addition to modern homes, and the kitchen island stands as its centerpiece. This architectural element transcends its indoor counterpart, becoming a focal point that defines outdoor living spaces. An outdoor kitchen island is more than just a cooking surface, it's a gathering place, a culinary laboratory, and a statement of style. In this comprehensive guide, we will delve into the world of outdoor kitchen islands, exploring their significance, advantages, design aesthetics, and financial implications. An outdoor kitchen island is a freestanding structure that serves as the heart of an outdoor cooking and dining area. Often equipped with a grill, sink, and storage, it provides a functional and stylish hub for outdoor entertaining. Unlike their indoor counterparts, outdoor kitchen islands are designed to withstand the elements, making them durable and weather-resistant. What benefits of choosing outdoor kitchen with kitchen island? An outdoor kitchen island offers numerous advantages for homeowners seeking to enhance their outdoor living experience. First and foremost, it creates a dedicated space for cooking and entertaining, freeing up indoor kitchen space for other purposes. Secondly, an island provides ample countertop space for food preparation, serving, and dining. Thirdly, it can serve as a focal point for the outdoor area, enhancing its aesthetic appeal. Finally, an outdoor kitchen island can significantly increase the value of your home. How much the cost of building an outdoor kitchen with kitchen island? The cost of building an outdoor kitchen island can vary significantly depending on factors such as size, materials, appliances, and labor. High-end materials and custom designs will naturally increase the price. However, with careful planning and budgeting, it is possible to create a stunning outdoor kitchen island without breaking the bank. How to designing outdoor kitchen with kitchen island to look good? Designing an outdoor kitchen island requires careful consideration of various factors, including size, layout, materials, and appliances. The island should complement the overall style of your outdoor space while providing optimal functionality. Incorporating elements such as seating, storage, and lighting can further enhance its utility and ambience. And here these the compilation of the top 10 outdoor kitchen island design ideas to inspire you. 1. Modern minimalism. Sleek lines, neutral colors, and high-quality materials create a sophisticated look. 2. Rustic charm. Incorporate natural stone, wood, and wrought iron for a warm and inviting atmosphere. 3. Tropical oasis. Embrace vibrant colors, lush greenery, and water features for a resort-like feel. 4. Mediterranean elegance. Combine terracotta tiles, wrought iron, and colorful accents for a classic Mediterranean style. 5. Contemporary chic. Experiment with bold geometric shapes, stainless steel, and glass for a modern edge. 6. Industrial loft. Utilize reclaimed wood, exposed brick, and metal accents for a raw and edgy look. 7. Asian inspiration. Incorporate natural materials, water features, and minimalist design for a serene ambience. 8. Coastal living. Opt for light colors, natural wood, and nautical accents to capture the beach vibe. 9. Outdoor bar. Combine a kitchen island with a bar area for entertaining and socializing. 10. Pizza oven paradise. Add a pizza oven to your island for delicious and authentically cooked pizzas. An outdoor kitchen island is a transformative addition to any home. It enhances outdoor living, creates unforgettable memories, and increases property value. By carefully considering design, functionality, and budget, you can create an outdoor oasis that perfectly complements your lifestyle. Ready to transform your backyard into a culinary haven? Contact Homes Decor Designs today for expert guidance on designing and building your dream outdoor kitchen island. Let us help you create an outdoor space that you and your guests will love. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.